Okay, the bridge is right up there. It's on up over around the corner. Okay, get your wheel straight. There we go. Come on, Kelsey. Kelsey, come on. Kelsey, come on. Come on, Kels. You gonna run? Let's run.
Just the fact that they've redone everything recently is like...
Great. So it's so convenient. Just go out of your house, go down to the gym, and go work it.
Okay, you're doing a good job, Lexi. Okay, now go forward. You can do it. Here, watch. You're doing it just like you're supposed to. Let's get Kelsey out of the way. Kelsey, come on over here. Come on. Okay, yeah, you can. Yes, you can. Okay. Well, you know what? You gave it a try, so that's a good thing. Okay, here we go. Let's keep going. There's one right over there you can do. Okay, let's keep going up. Yes? What? It's too hot down there. Let's stay right up here in the shade. How about that? Okay, stay right there. Look at that. Look at those two beautiful girls. Okay, wait a minute. Look up, Lexi. Here, let's go. We're not going to go down there. Okay. Let me get Kelsey. Come on, Kels. Here we go. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Boop. Here we go. Hi. There. Okay, let's pay attention, Lex. Okay? Here, hold my hand. Come on over here. There you go. Okay. No. No, we're not gonna get our hands wet, okay? Because we still have a lot of riding to do, and we have to eat watermelon. We don't want to eat watermelon with dirty hands. You gonna throw a rock? Hey, Kelsey. Was that a rock? Oh, look at the duck. See the duck?
What?
There's a duck. Kelsey, come here, honey. Come on. Okay. All right, you girls ready to go again? We need to go get some watermelon. Stand right there, honey, okay? Stand right there. Good girl.